Welcome to English Adventures with Amin. Today we're diving into an incredible discovery that has shaken the world of archaeology, the first royal Egyptian tomb to be found in over 100 years. Yes, you heard that right. The long-lost tomb of Pharaoh Thutmose II has finally been uncovered, revealing secrets buried for thousands of years. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on an adventure through time. It all began near Luxor, in the legendary Valley of the Kings, one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world. A team of British and Egyptian archaeologists, led by Dr. Piers Litherland, was exploring the area when they stumbled upon something extraordinary. Hidden beneath layers of rock and sand lay the forgotten tomb of Pharaoh Thutmose II, a ruler of Egypt's powerful 18th dynasty. But who was Thutmose II? Why is his tomb such a big deal? Thutmose II ruled Egypt over 3,000 years ago, around 1493 to 1479 BCE. He was the husband of Queen Hatshepsut, one of the most famous female pharaohs in history. Though his reign was short, it played a crucial role in shaping Egypt's golden age. His tomb, however, had remained a mystery, until now. Inside the tomb, archaeologists found fascinating artifacts: alabaster jars inscribed with Thutmose II's name, fragments of ancient offerings, and remnants of the burial chamber. Unfortunately, the tomb had been heavily damaged by floods shortly after his burial, and many of its treasures were lost. But despite this, the discovery is still groundbreaking. It offers a rare glimpse into the burial traditions of the time and the hidden history of the Egyptian New Kingdom. Why is this such a historic moment? Well, this is the first time a pharaoh's tomb has been found in over a century. The last major discovery of this scale was in 1922, when Howard Carter unearthed the legendary tomb of King Tutankhamun. This new discovery not only helps us understand more about Thutmose II, but also reignites the excitement of exploring ancient Egypt's many remaining secrets. So what's next? Experts will now analyze the tomb's contents, hoping to piece together more details about Thutmose II's reign and the rituals surrounding his burial. Who knows? Maybe this is just the beginning of even more astonishing discoveries. What do you think about this incredible find? Let me know in the comments. And if you love exploring history and improving your English, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Adventures with Amin for more fascinating stories from around the world. See you in the next adventure. Key vocabulary from the video. 1. Discovery. The act of finding something that was previously unknown or hidden. Example, the discovery of Thutmose II's tomb is one of the most exciting in archaeology. 2. Shaken. The world of archaeology. A phrase meaning to cause great excitement, surprise, or change in a field. Example, the discovery of King Tutankhamun's tomb in 1922 shook the world of archaeology. 3. Tomb. A structure or chamber where someone, usually of great importance, is buried. Example, ancient Egyptian pharaohs were buried in elaborate tombs filled with treasures. 4. Uncovered. Found or revealed after being hidden. Example, archaeologists uncovered the tomb beneath layers of rock and sand. 5. Valley of the Kings, a famous archaeological site in Egypt where many pharaohs were buried. The Valley of the Kings is home to the tombs of many ancient Egyptian rulers. Number 6. Archaeologist, a scientist who studies human history by digging up and analyzing ancient artifacts and sites. Example, archaeologists carefully excavate sites to learn about past civilizations. 7. Dynasty, a series of rulers from the same family who govern a country over a period of time. Example, Thutmose II was part of Egypt's 18th dynasty, a powerful ruling family. 8. Reign, the period of time a king or queen rules a country. Example, Thutmose II's reign lasted from 1493 to 1479 BCE. 9. Artifacts, objects made by humans, often from ancient times, that hold historical significance. Example, the tomb contained artifacts like alabaster jars and ancient offerings. 10. Burial chamber, the part of a tomb where a person is laid to rest. Example, the burial chamber of Thutmose II contained remnants of offerings. 11. Groundbreaking, something completely new and important, often leading to further discoveries. Example, the discovery of Thutmose II's tomb is groundbreaking in archaeology. 12. Glimpse, a quick look at something or a small part of a bigger picture. Example, this discovery gives us a glimpse into burial traditions of the New Kingdom. 13. Historic moment, a significant event in history. Example, the discovery of King Tut's tomb was a historic moment in archaeology. 14. Unearthed, dug up, or discovered from beneath the ground. Example, Howard Carter unearthed King Tut's tomb in 1922. 15. Reignites, brings back excitement or interest in something. Example, the discovery of Thutmose II's tomb reignites curiosity about ancient Egypt. 16. Rituals, ceremonial acts or traditions, often religious or cultural. Example, burial rituals in ancient Egypt involve placing offerings in tombs. 17. Astonishing, extremely surprising or amazing. Example, the amount of detail in the tomb's inscriptions is astonishing. 18. Excavate, to dig up and carefully remove earth to uncover something buried. Example, archaeologists spent years excavating the site before finding the tomb. 19. New Kingdom, a period in ancient Egyptian history known for strong pharaohs and grand temples, c. 1550 to 1070 BCE. Example, Thutmose II ruled during Egypt's New Kingdom. 20. Legendary, famous and well-known, often with historical or mythical significance. Example, the legendary tomb of King Tutankhamun contained priceless treasures. Why learning these words matters. Understanding these words will help you follow historical and archaeological discoveries more easily. They also improve your ability to discuss history and cultural topics in English. What do you think about this incredible discovery? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Adventures with Amin for more exciting stories from around the world.